as you said that you have just changed your instrument from
Yes,
scalpel to a strategy,
strategy.
and you have
Yeah,
started prescribing instead of pills. It's now lifestyle changes.
lifestyle.
So
Yes,
we have, if we log on YouTube or any of the social media platforms and we search about lifestyle changes, there are so many videos,
exactly.
content, too much for a novice, for a person who doesn't know the impact,
Yes,
right? Some videos would ask you to have hot water, some videos will not. So,
yeah,
just an example I'm giving. So, for a novice person, a person who doesn't have a medical background, who does not know about how our body works
yeah.
in a medical way. So for them, what would be your suggestion? Like or what should they look forward to? How can they decide what is right and what is not?
Yeah, you're very true. You're very correct. Actually, there is a lot of information overload. Everybody it gives you guidance and tips and all that.
Hmm.
If you go to Google, Google will diagnose some illness which you don't even have. But what I do rather is, along with checking the reports and all of the person,
Hmm.
also I wouldn't prescribe a generic diet to everybody. What will work for you will not work for somebody else.
True.
What will not work, for example, even if I'm talking about a strength training or a strength workout or dietary restriction, it
Hmm.
will not work for a patient A or a client A
Hmm.
as well as it would work for a client B. So
True.
every client is different, every person is different, everybody needs a very personalized regimen. So I would suggest that just blindly following all the advice which you get on the net is not suitable for anybody. If
Hmm.
you have a doctor, maybe you can speak to the doctor before you make any radical changes.
Hmm.
If you are, suppose, for example, somebody says you have to have too much of protein, you must have protein. See, protein, everybody's talking about protein.
Uh,
But some, but there is also one challenge. If you take too much of protein, what happens? And if you're not using that protein, for example, all that protein also gets converted to fat.
right.
So if you are taking protein, an adequate amount or more than adequate amount of protein, you need to even work out so
Hmm.
that that protein is used properly by the muscles.
Hmm.
So just don't blindly follow all the rules, whatever you say, because it is going to create issues. If one person will say eat more of quinoa, one person will say don't have gluten, one person will say something, but everybody is different.
Uh,
Gluten, one person can have gluten very easily, but another person cannot have. Somebody will say go and have ragi and jawar and all, don't have rice. But it is not necessary. Some people can tolerate rice well,
uh,
some people cannot. So it is, every person is different and
uh,
everything needs to be tweaked per client.
true. True.